I've been comparing Adspy and Pipiads throughout 2025, and while both platforms offer robust ad intelligence tools, they cater to different needs and preferences. Your choice depends on whether you prioritize extensive data coverage and advanced search capabilities or focus on TikTok advertising with user-friendly features. Adspy is renowned for its massive database of over 161 million ads across Facebook and Instagram, covering 88 languages and 216 countries. It offers advanced search functionality, allowing users to filter ads by various criteria, including demographics, ad text, and landing pages. Adspy's real-time data and comprehensive analytics make it a powerful tool for marketers seeking deep insights into competitor strategies. However, its focus is primarily on Facebook and Instagram, which may limit its utility for those targeting other platforms. Pipiads, on the other hand, specializes in TikTok and Facebook advertising, providing access to over 50 million TikTok ads. It offers advanced filtering options, real-time data updates, and features like dropshipping calculators, audience insights, and ad performance tracking. Pipiads is designed with a user-friendly interface, making it accessible for both beginners and experienced marketers. Its focus on TikTok makes it particularly valuable for those looking to leverage this rapidly growing platform. If your primary focus is on Facebook and Instagram advertising and you require extensive data coverage with advanced search capabilities, Adspy is the better choice. Conversely, if you're targeting TikTok and value user-friendly features with specialized tools for this platform, Pipiads offers a more tailored solution. If this comparison helped you determine which ad intelligence tool aligns better with your marketing goals, please like the video, share it with someone exploring Adspy platforms, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.